Alright, pay attention because this could literally change your life. Right now, people are making six figures just from AI, and most people do not even realize it. And no, you do not need to be a coder, a tech genius, or have some fancy degree. All you need is a laptop, a Wi-Fi, and the right skills. And let me share with you a quick story. There is this guy named John Adwin. He was stuck in a boring 9 to 5 like many of us do. He had no AI experience, no tech or any other fancy degree. But after research and understanding how AI is in demand, he made a smart move. He learned just one AI skill, then he actually started freelancing, and in the matter of 6 months, he was pulling in $15,000 a month just working from his laptop at the comfort of his home. You can check out his full story on the Medium. It's seriously inspiring. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. And trust me guys, you can do the same, and that is exactly why I am making this video, so you can learn and actually start taking action. Now, when it comes to skills, I was doing some research, talking to friends who are already doing good in this space, and they all told me the same thing. Ahmad, you need to start using these tools. They are massively underrated. Barely anyone is talking about them, and the demand, it's insane. So shall we get straight onto them? Skill number 1, AI automation using Make and Zapier. It really has an insane demand. Businesses are paying thousands for people who can automate their workflows using AI. And the best part is you don't need to learn any coding. These tools can automate everything. For example, emails, reports, customer support, you name it. And people love it because it saves them time and money. And trust me guys, closing clients in this area is not very hard. I will even share some of tactics in the coming videos. Skill number 2. And now this one is my personal favorite, prompt engineering. Have you ever wondered why some people get crazy good results from ChatGPT? Well, it's all about how you ask. Companies are literally hiring people just to write better AI prompts, and some of them are making over $100,000 a year. Just check out this job visible on the screen. By the way, if you're serious about learning these skills, actually making money from them, follow me on LinkedIn right now. I post real AI strategies every single day. Link will be in the description of this video. Okay, now let's get back to the topic. Skill number 3. You guys know in 2025 videos are booming, right? And how these days platforms like LinkedIn and some others giving such a good reach to people who are posting video content. But what if AI can help you make them? Well, AI tools like Runway or Pika Labs can edit videos in minutes. I know editors who used to spend 6 hours sometimes on project, but now they just upload, click, and done. And if you want to see freelancing market for them, clients are paying. Just check this. And now number 4. Do you know those AI chatbots that handle customer services? If yes, then well, businesses are paying $5,000, $10,000, or even $50,000 just to set one up. And guess what? You do not need to be a programmer. Tools like Chatfuel, ManyChat, or custom GPTs make it ridiculously easy. And now last but not the least, AI copywriting. You write ads, emails, and content on website, right? Well, AI can write them all just like you ever wanted. But one thing you need to consider before you choose this career is businesses still need someone who knows how to customize AI generated content, because AI do not know how to write the pain point that you're looking to solve for your ideal customer. And if you want to know how much these copywriters make, well, roughly about $500 to $5,000 depending upon the project. And trust me, it's easy money once you know how to do it right. And now listen, this is not the future. They are happening right now. So if you want to stay ahead, you got to learn them. And if you are confused whether which one is best for me or from where I should start learning all this, or how do I land my first client, well, I want you to book a call using my calendar link in the description below. I can share everything with you there, and if you want me to continue making content like this, share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.